All right, so we are finally opening Surging Sparks. It is kind of the most valuable set I've ever opened because the booster boxes are already selling for 160 bucks. As you can see, once we go down to this screen, I have one in a sealed plastic. I've changed up my little set a little bit, so you'll be able to see all that. But guys, before we jump in, just subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the like button. It will help me out a ton if I'm being perfectly honest. It's to help me out. But guys, let's just jump into this and let's have some fun. All right. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, because just like everybody else, that elusive Pikachu that is still going up, because my friend at work, he was like, yeah, it's already starting to drop, and I was like, it started out around 300 bucks and it's up to 500. And then today we checked, because he was like, yeah, it's already dropping. I was like, are you serious? No, it went up $100 more. It's sitting around 600 bucks for that card raw. I get that card, that thing's going straight to PSA. No if buts, ands, or anything else, however you say that statement. It's been a long time since I've done a booster box. Bam. See, I like the booster boxes in English a lot better than the ones on the Japanese side, because these are a lot better easier to pull from anyways. All right, let's do this. All right, let's pray to the Pokemon gods. Dear Pokemon God, please give me Pikachu. All right, cool. Let's do this. All right. Let's see here. Pack number 1. So we got Flittle, Diana, I don't know, Shroodle, Azumarill, Gravity Mountain, Exeggutor, Snorlax. Holy crap, we've already got Night Stretcher by a Palkia rare, and then code card. I think that means I'm not going to get my Pikachu. Dang it. I think that's what that means, because this is like the hardest card to pull, like the hardest level. I would have rather had the Pikachu Gold, of course. I mean, this thing is still sick. Terrible. Look at this. I can't even send this to get graded. See how wide that side is and how not wide that is? Like, it's night and day difference. I don't know what's up with these little lines on the side either. That's interesting. All right, we'll just put that over there for now. I'm kind of actually already disappointed, if I'm being honest. I was like, it's a hit. I'm sure it's worth something, but I would have rather had something different. You know what I mean? All right. Let's see here. Capsakid. Meowstic. Call Bell. Rhydon. Bruxish. Diglett. And an Archaludon. Followed by the code card. Let me see here. How bad are these printings? This one looks a lot more even. However, the bottom is way thicker than the top. Not way, noticeably thicker. Still a pretty sick card. Now I'm starting to do like a side gig of cards that I don't want for my PC. That I'm going to start selling some on eBay. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link to my eBay store. Some cards are going to get sold, some aren't. I'm not trying to master set anything. I just can't afford it, honestly. So this is actually going to help me pay for these things in the future. So we got Trampinch, Uxie, Charcadet, Miraidon, Tandemaus, Shroodle, Zarude. That's the first time we've had a, or no, the second time we've had no hit. Or no, that's the first one. I think that's the third pack. I might buy another box. They're just not cheap right now. I bought both of these boxes. I bought were early on when it just launched the pre-order stuff, and I think I paid 105 for one and right at 100 for the other, and now they're selling for 160. So I'm just kind of like, not really worth it, because these are going to only go up in value, and it's got to make sense. Oh, Flygon full art. And then, wow, this thing is giving me hits. This is a great card. I don't know what it's worth, but it's beautiful. And it's well even. I think I'm going to send this one off to get graded, because I've already sent, so I've got 11 cards already at PSA as we speak. I've got 5 that I sent to, that's sitting at GameStop waiting to be shipped out once they get enough cards. So some of them are getting graded, are going to be for sale. Some are going to be for my PC. Like I sent out the nice Charizard from Obsidian Flames. I don't think that's going to get a 10, but that's going to be for my PC. So Skarmory. I've already gotten 2 of the Fampies. That's funny. Not the base card, but the special card. All right, let's see here. All right, Togekiss, water type. What's really cool about the new set coming out in January is it's going to have Master Balls and reverse hollows and all that good stuff. So I'm very much looking forward to that. Yeah, Mask. Cast form, Sunny form. I don't know this one. I mean, I've seen it, but I don't know it really well. Mesprit, yeah. Scatterbug, Magneton. In fact, I've already sent the Magneton from the ETB to get graded. That one I am selling, and I'm going to use that money to go towards probably another booster box, or towards the Evolution set coming out at the beginning of next year. Dude, Hydreigon. And I'll probably buy more of the triple blisters, single blister, because these are, I mean, these aren't any cheaper, so they're not exactly making it any sense. Because the benefit is when you buy this at $100, you're only spending around $3 and some change per pack. Where when you buy the blisters, you're paying $4, $5 per pack, so it goes way up. Stunfisk, Shellis, Dedenne, oh shoot, Mankey, Terra Orb, Fluttermane, Drayton, Amulet of Hope, followed by a Paldea Taurus, and an Iron Crown, and the All-Seeing Eye. Man, dude, this thing is fire, unless the other half is just garbage. Like, I've already gotten 5 hits. That's nuts. 5 with 2 really good hits, like good hits. But one I'm not going to send off, which kind of makes me mad. I would have really liked to send that gold card off. Bouffalant, Feebas, Crocalor, Tanomouse, Ninetales. Oh, I didn't know Ninetales was back in this. All right, sweet. Grafaiai, Spawpa. It kind of has the Togekiss thing going on. I don't know this one. And then Fuecoco, followed by Gouging Fire and your code card. All right. Zebstrika, I think. Marill, Reller, the poop bug, Graplocked, Kilowattrell. My cards are falling over here. Dang it. All right. Kind of good enough. Ho-Oh, Lively Stadium, Feebas Reverse, Larvesta, which I've actually I got this in Japanese, and now I got it in English, and look at how poorly You can even tell right there. Look at that compared to that. I mean, that is, golly, man, they're killing me. Bagrigus and then metal type energy. That's another hit. This one I'm probably selling because, yeah, that's a terrible looking. I'd rather have a better condition to keep for my PC. Now I'm just going to start stacking. And I think I'm going to do my very best to come up with the money for a case of booster boxes from the new set coming in January. I just don't remember what it's called for some reason. Donphin, Waikoko, Mantine? Walren? The villain? Drasna. I got her full art, I think, in Japanese. Chien Pao, which this one threw me off because I was like, like the face always looks like it's a what do you call it? The saber-toothed tiger, but then the body looks like more of a snake, and I was like, that kind of throws it off a little bit. Like that's not what I thought it was supposed to look like, or that's not what I was expecting him to look like as a whole animal. All right. Diano, Esper, her again, Watrell, Shiinotic, Magneton again. I haven't had a Magnemite, I don't think yet. Primeape followed by a Landorus. Okay. Let's see here. Bronzong, Sandygast, Drillbur. There's the Magnemite. Armarouge, Oranguru, Cerulege, Skilderidge, all right, Excadrill, Quaxwell, Morelul, I don't even know. Latios, Koraidon, Ninetales. Straighten this up again. I'm getting kind of crazy. Skarmory, we got some Aminals. Kilowattrel, regular EX. It's a card. Cool looking card, actually. All right. Shoot, we aren't even done with the left side. Left is best, baby. Slackoth, Oricorio, Bronzor, Annihilate, the Alolan Dugtrio, Scatterbug, Terra Orb. We got a full art Drayton, very cool. Grass type, and your code card. That's sweet. Man, these things are just not printed well. Look at this. Heavy on the right, light on the left. Top and bottom look good. Aim for the back. Usually the back matches the front for obvious reasons, as they are misaligned on all of them. All right, we're down to 4 packs on the left side. Love booster boxes. Booster boxes are just the best. You get to open, you get to see every pack, you get to see everything. Robot, Bell, Aquavel, Grafaiai, Celio, Trapinch, and Tapu Koko. All right. We have the Alolan Diglett, which is awesome. Look at that little hair on the top of his head. I love that. It's crazy. Togepi. Blitzel. Paldean Taurus Fire type. Miraidon. Larvesta, followed by Tapu Lele. Let's see here. The Mask again. Eevee. Execute. Castform, Sunny Form. Paldean Taurus Fighting type. Bruxish. Mantine, I don't know. Iron Crown. Terrapagus. There you go. Last pack on the left side. You mask again? Jeez Louise. Quaxley. Arvesta. Mankey. Altaria. Bravery. Togetic. Surfer Dude. And Chien-Pao. All right, let's hope we didn't pull all the cards. I'm going to move these out of the way. All right. Let's start with side number right. We got Mesprit, Scatterbug, Bouffalant, Feebas, Turtonator, Altaria, Rodham, Vulpix, and another Flygon. Just the regular EX Flygon, but it's still a beautiful EX Flygon. Dang, both sides. First pack got hits. Sweet. There we go. All right. Execute. Swablu, Rodham, Abreva, Executor rather, Iron Bundle, Mousehole, Tapu Lele, Altario, and Dialga. I'm just waiting for that. I don't think I can still get the Pikachu, but I'm just waiting to be surprised if I can. It's probably in this one too. That's the crazy part. It probably is. It's just sitting over there like, ha 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 ha, you're not getting me. So, Crocolore, Tentamouse, Fuecoco, Dragon Elixir, or Xerneas. I don't know. I sat there and stared at it for way too long. This is actually really cool. Hollow with the colors. Look at that. Rabsca. Oh, I didn't know Reller had a evolution line. I mean, it makes sense, but doesn't seem like a evolution line worth getting. I mean, he does have... There are 3 or fewer cards in your deck. This attack does 200 more damage. Okay, that's pretty legit. As long as you have very few cards left in your deck. Klefki. Fuecoco. Glimmora. Snorlax. Surfer Dude. Registeel. Walrein. Latios. Jasmine's Gaze. And Gouging Fire. Hey. There's a bunch of cards I don't want. Like the... Is it Latios? I think. The SIR Latios. I don't know if I qualify for any more. If this box is going to have anything big left in it. Donphin, Bronzing, Sandy Gas, So, Blitzel and a Tapu Koko. I gotta clean up my room or this area. And I'm already looking at a new apartment, so this is gonna become different in the next few months. Oops, don't want to tear anything up. Let's see here. I haven't done this in forever. Maybe. Doesn't look like what I want though. Primeape. Rufflet. I think that's the first time seeing that one. Trempinch. Reller. Magnezone. Goldango. I don't think I realized he was in the set either. Heliolisk. And Slacking. Interesting. Not what I was really wanting, but I'll take it. I feel like I'm hitting all the EXs. It's a weird evolution line of characters. All right, Duraludon pack. Drillbur, Magnemite, Slackoth, Oricorio, Time, Mousehold, Victini, Crocolore, Flapple. Very sweet. Very, very cool. And a Cofagrigus. All right, we finally got another real hit. This one seems to be printed pretty evenly finally. It's about dang time. It's about dang time. All right. So, Celio, Clobopus, Heliolisk. Ho-oh! Did not mean to hit the camera. Oh, there's an Espathra. Clobopus. Gastrodon. All right, keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it going. Man, this chair's killing my back. Bronzor. Look at that art, that's really cool. Yeah, Tamakazu. Marulul. Another Diglett. Meowstic, another Bell, Miraidon. We got our second switch. Actually, I've got duplicates of this one now. So sweet. I really like A-Spec cards just for their looks. All right, move that on. All right. In fact, I think I have it. Is that it right there? Nope, not that one. Or that one. I've got it around here somewhere. Bam. Scramble switch. All right, let's keep it going. Glimmet. Magnemite. Pansear. Oranguru. Flapple. Jasmine's Gaze, Execute, Tapu Lele. All right, we are down to a handful of cards. I think I just killed a bug on my face. That's kind of gross. All right. Togepi. Curious if I'm going to be able to make more money off of, like, if I've made my money back on this. Like if I spent 160 bucks, odds are probably not. I don't even know what this is worth. I don't know what any of these are worth besides the extremely big hits. So that I gotta look up and see how well I did. Odds are mediocre at best, maybe a little bit above mediocrity. A Vulpix. Love Vulpix. Swablu, Sandygast, Zweilous, Xerneas. It's funny, I couldn't say that earlier. Flapple, Rufflet, Gouging Fire. Oh, an Alolan Executor. Not the one I want though. The one I want is where you can see the whole thing, the full art. Just does not look like Executor at all. I like how they kind of cheat the system without having to make new Pokemon characters. We got Larvesta, Mankey, Execute, Swablu, Magneton, Taurus, Water type, Zweilous, Eternatus. There we go. We are down to 4 packs. I've actually done this pretty quickly. All right, so we got Latios and Latias. Hopefully that's a good sign. This thing has a bunch of hits in it, so I'm really not complaining. It's just none of the hits that I was actually wanting, to be honest. So, Rotom, Charcadet, Dugtrio, Wochian, Shellis, Taurus Fire type, Iron Crown, and that. Oh, all right, down to 3 packs. Rotom again. Vibrava, Klefki, Wacoco, Technical Machine, Ninetales, Grafaiai, Fluttermane, Drillodon, an Iron Crown. Wah, wah. All right, 2 packs left. Get this out of the way. Oh, wait, hold on. Get out. Get out. Look, I almost left a pack in there. Oh my gosh, that I got lucky there that I didn't even realize that. All right, we're going to save that one for last. Last pack of magic. All right. I can't believe I mean, I felt the weight. I wouldn't have let it go, but still. We got a Diglett. Let's see here. Capsakid. Larvesta knocked over my cards again. Fluttermane. Bruxish. A different artwork. Oranguru. Archaludon full art. Man, I'm getting a lot of hits in this box. Look at that bad boy. That is sick. I actually like that card. Is it gradable is the question. And it looks like it's probably not. So you can kind of see how large that is and how small that is. Top to bottom seem to be good. Back actually looks pretty decent. Man, that stinks. I hate it when it's just Erg. I want them to be a little more like aware of what they're doing when they're printing these things. And because it hurts, man. Especially if you're like me and you like to have graded cards. It just hurts. All right, Pikachu being a Pikachu pack. All right. Lamora, Snorlax, Primeape, Rufflet, Passimian, some Berry, Walrein, Cetadil, Tapu Koko. All right. Down to the last pack. Last pack. I'm not even going to say it. This thing is loaded with air. So hopefully. All right. So this is what $160 down the drain looks like. All right, let's just do it this way. All right, so we got, that's a good sign. That's a good start. Delmise. Strudel. Memo. Appleton. Koraidon. All right, we're in the reverse hollow Stunfisk. Mankey and Melodic. I got that in Japanese. That's funny. Well, I got cards. I got hits. No Pikas. No Chews. Let's grab them all. Let's see what we got. So we actually got, let me count them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 hits. So let's take a look. So we got the Melodic, Archaludon or Archaludon, Alolan Executor, Scramble Switch, Flapple, Slacking, Flygon, Drayton, Kilowattrel, Larvesta, Amulet of Hope, Hydreigon, Flygon, an Archaludon, and a Night Stretcher. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Until next time, peace.